Greetings friends. In the last video I completed a competitive analysis. If you haven't seen it yet, here's a hint. In this video I will be analyzing the social media of this botanical garden. I will analyze the audience by 6 criteria such as audience engagement, content type, audience interaction, audience profile, competitive social media analytics of other gardens and trending posts. What will come out of this, see below. Enjoy watching friends. Here you can see the demographics of one of the social networks. The first point is gender. 77% of the audience is female, and only 23% male. The second item is the age of the audience. As you can see, most of the audience is between the ages of 35 and 44. So the portrait of the target audience is mostly women aged 35 and above. Thanks for watching. Put likes and subscribe to the channel not to miss the next videos.